All right, what's going on, y'all? I know it's probably been a while since I did a video, but I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a 2025 update on how to use TikTok's Live Studio, as well as just, little things to help you if you aren't using that and you use OBS or whatever the case may be, ways so that you can update your title while you're live. Because I know a lot of people have been looking up the little tutorial, different things on that, and I figured I would give you a updated version of that since I made a short a while back and people are still watching it, and just some things to like give you guys a bit of help out and things, little how to. All right. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to this other scene so that you guys can see what I'm doing, and then we'll kind of go from there. So let's get to it. All right. I wish it actually didn't do the transitions like I'm streaming, but whatever the case may be. So, anyways, if you are streaming with the TikTok Live Studio, hopefully you guys know that you can always click this button right up here at the top that says Live Info, and then it shows you what you're doing. Almost literally almost at all times you'll be able to still click that and say that, like, you want to update your title. Make sure you do, like, that's where you would do that at. um if you're playing a game that's like 18 plus, always make sure that you click the audience controls. Like, this lets it know that this is 18 plus, or if you're just an 18 plus streamer, make sure you click that, because I've had it happen before where I got dinged on TikTok and they were just like, "Oh, this is a mature game. You need to have it set to 18 plus." Just for the most part, just click that, because I don't know if people are like reporting and saying that, like, "Oh, needs to be 18 plus," or whatever the case may be. Just make sure you do it. But anyways, going back up here to the top, when you are live, obviously I'm not live right now. You can always click this right here. So even when the like settings of this changes overall, you can click gaming and then change your game category at all times. Obviously, these are some of the things that I've like been playing and I've set it to. But it helps you get your discover on it based on people are like looking for that or whatever the case may be, or if it just pops up. I don't know how TikTok's algorithm really works as far as lives go, but you can definitely click that to change your game category. So that way, I know a lot of people like to think, "Oh, I was playing Baldur's Gate 3 and now I gotta end my stream and then change my game because we're about to switch over to like Rocket League or something like that." Boom, you ain't even got to do all that. You can literally click game and it'll have like the slash, whatever game you were playing at the time. You can click that, then switch your game category. That way you don't have to end your stream. If you aren't using TikTok Live Studio, I will have a link in the description that will show this information here, but I gotta drag it over here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There's this website right here that you can actually go to no matter what you're streaming. Like if you're on the PC, um, whatever you're streaming on, basically, you can always go to this link right here. I'll leave it in the description. I'll put it in the put it as a pinned comment. You can go to that and it will show you your current live analytics, like it is TikTok Live Studio. And even then, from there, you can actually still change your information within that web link as well. This is from my last stream. I stream every so often with TikTok. I don't do it too often, but I've been using Restream to stream from it, and so I can't use TikTok Live Studio because I'm not live with that. So I will always bring up this link and go to it and like kind of see my chat, see what's going on within it, all this and that, different things of that nature, so I can keep up with it right there. So obviously it won't show it right now, but what I'll probably do towards the end of the video, I will, while I'm live, I'll do like a little segment where I'm showing it off and whatnot, and splice that into the video so that people can see what I'm talking about and doing all the different things and whatnot. So um, hopefully this helps you. If not, hey, why are you watching a tutorial about TikTok Live Studio and how to update your title and all this and that? Anyways, if you guys like it, like, comment, subscribe. Uh, I know I did this last time on my gaming channel, so I'm gonna probably put this on just like my. This is gonna be my just talking point, how to, and all that different stuff that I'm like doing for streaming stuff channel. So this is gonna be on the C1's Thoughts channel. So obviously, if you're watching it here, it's on C1's Thoughts. But if you see like a short of it, and it pops up on like the different other platforms and stuff, make sure you go check out that channel. And yeah, I'm done. Y'all take it easy. Peace out. This is going to be a clippable section. So for those people that were still wondering on how you like change your information, this is that website that I was talking about in the video. This is like done much later. So, you can change your title right there. You click that. If you want to change your game title, which I will be switching to, um, Into the Dead. So secondary topic, Into the Dead. Right there. Boom. Change, save, and there you have it. Updates it from gaming. It's Into the Dead, Darkest Days. That's what we'll be playing. So yeah, that's how you do that. It is now a clippable section. All right, so if that was helpful for you guys, be sure to like and subscribe. I know it's a bit of a difference from what it was earlier in the video. Like I said, I did part of that on Sunday, and then the other part where I showed you how it actually works at the end of the video, well, before this, was done later on that night when I actually was streaming. This is a couple of days later because, you know, I'd say I was going to get the haircut, got the haircut. It's not intentionally to show it off, but I just wanted to make sure I got that last part in there just to clarify everything in there. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many of them as I can, do the best that I can. Hopefully, you know, this will help you guys out. And with all that said and done, y'all take it easy. Peace out.